Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Material UI theming for custom dashboards, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by setting up your project with Material UI. Install Material UI Core and Material UI icons using npm or yarn. Open your project's main entry file, usually index.js or app.js. Import the necessary components from Material UI. Create a theme object using the Create Theme function from Material UI. Define your primary and secondary colors within the theme object. Add typography settings to enhance the appearance of text elements. Utilize the spacing and breakpoints properties for responsive designs. Use the theme provider component to wrap your application. Pass your theme object as a prop to the theme provider. Inside the theme provider, place your application components that will utilize the theme. Implement custom styles using either MakeStyles or styled components. Create a separate file for themes if you plan to have multiple themes. Define light and dark mode themes for more versatility. Use a toggle button to switch between light and dark modes dynamically. Access the theme values inside your components using the useTheme hook. Apply theme colors and typography styles to your dashboard components. Test the appearance of each component to ensure proper implementation. Adjust any settings in the theme object as needed for better aesthetics. Remember to keep your theming consistent across different components. Finally, review your entire dashboard to confirm that the new theming is applied correctly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.